Hi everyone. I didn't mean to quickly end that video for the review abruptly like that. That was a mistake. So I just quickly wanted to go over some things while I have your attention, literally just a couple minutes. So for your test tomorrow, or potentially if you're watching this in the morning, your test later today, again, make sure you have all the kinks worked out. Try to take pictures of things tonight to make sure it works, upload them somewhere, then you can remove those files. Or, like I've been stressing to you, if you're having issues, download Genius Scan, take a picture, save it as a PDF. You'll never have an issue with file size or using your phone or anything like that. And then after your test tomorrow, there's no other lessons, there's no other work to work on except for your assignment. Now, some of you have already downloaded this, and I've had some questions. So I'm going to address them here for everyone. So one of the big questions is, how am I supposed to do the assignment? You can print it and do it right on the assignment. If you don't have access to a printer, then that's okay too. You can just do it on blank paper. Just make sure you do the solutions in order of the assignment. Make it neat, make it legible. Make it organized, use a ruler where it asks you to draw a color like you would right on it, take a picture, and then everyone is submitting their assignment in D2L under assessments, assignments, probability assignment. And that's due 3 p.m. on Friday. The next thing, some people have asked, what's everything I have to have submitted or completed by the end of this week? I'm thinking about maybe making a checklist if I get around to it today. If not, for next week, I'll start making a checklist and I'll post a link to that checklist. But everything that you have to have submitted by the end of this week was, for marks anyway, your stats assignment, your probability assignment, your stats test, and of course your stats test solutions, and then your probability test and your probability test solutions. So only 4 things so far for marks that you have to have done. And again, you're supposed to be doing these things synchronously. So for those of you that might miss the test, hopefully that's no one, you have to let me know. Otherwise, it's like skipping a test, which means a 0. I have to give you special access or possibly even give you a different timed assessment, which I'm going to get to marking all of your things next week. As soon as I start publishing feedback, if you haven't given me an assignment, that's it. Like, as soon as I publish feedback with answers and solutions, there's no more opportunity for you to hand in your assignment. Now, I will be sending out an email tomorrow, maybe the weekend, if not early Monday. And if you get an email from me, it's going to be because you're missing 1 or more assignments or tests. And then the last thing I want to go over with you guys, it's come to my attention that some of you are like only using the Brightspace phone app and you're not using a laptop or anything else, which is fine. However, one thing you have to know, when you just log into the Brightspace app and then click on this course, all it publishes to you is the activity feed, and you're missing like the activity feed's like literally like 10% of what you're supposed to be seeing. So if this is you have to click on the 3. So when you log into the course, there'll be 3 dots at the top right-hand corner. Click on those 3 dots and click on Launch Course Homepage. And that will be just like how you've seen things anytime I've done a video to you guys. And then that gives you the announcement feed plus the activity feed. And the announcement feed is really what I use the most. And that's where everything is hyperlinked. That's where all the videos live. Everything is there. Just make sure if you haven't done that already, you'll be looking at the first day of the quadmester, which was November 23rd. Make sure you scroll down to the date that we're on. So currently starting on January 4th. And you can just hit X to dismiss all of those little windows in the announcements to get rid of the first 2 quadratics units and to get rid of the, trig unit to get down to stats and then to probability. So that's it. As always, if you have any questions, See me in Teams. If you have questions about your test tomorrow, I will be in Teams during your test time, 9:45 to 11:55. And then you could always email me or get into Hasia and send me some messages on Hasia. And again, as a challenge, let's try, everyone, to work out the kinks for uploading your work. And let's try to upload our test solutions and your assignment solutions for your probability assignment all as one file. Like I said, just makes it way easier for me to mark, which means you guys get better feedback and you get things back quicker from me. Good luck on the test. Talk to you later.